Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the clip and the tools. Pick a short loop, 10 to 30 seconds, at your display resolution so it won't stretch. Once chosen, install FFmpeg and a wallpaper player app like VLC or a video wallpaper utility. You need FFmpeg to transcode for efficiency. Make sure to back up current desktop settings and note each monitor's resolution and scaling. That prevents surprises when you apply the video and confirms you're working with the right file dimensions. Next, you convert and optimize the clip so it plays smoothly as a wallpaper. Use FFmpeg to scale to exact monitor resolution, crop any black bars, and encode to H. 264 or H. 265 for low CPU load. Aim for about 5 to 8 Mbps for 1080p and 30 frames per second. This balances quality and performance. Once encoded, make the loop seamless by trimming edges or adding a short crossfade. You do this to reduce stutter. Finally, apply the optimized file in your wallpaper app and adjust playback settings. Open VLC or your video wallpaper utility, load the video per monitor, enable looping, and set audio to mute so sound doesn't play constantly. Once done, make sure the app uses hardware decoding to minimize CPU usage and set launch at login if you want persistence. If you see dropped frames or battery drain, lower the bitrate, reduce resolution, or enable hardware acceleration. These fixes solve most performance issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.